back to a brand new video. And today, so I'm just technically gonna be outside. So I jumped on my trampoline earlier, and now since it snowed a lot, we're making this giant fort. So okay. So this is my sister, and this is my dad. Yep. And so yeah. So besides showing you guys how we're building this, today I'm also going to be flying my drone, and the footage from the drone is going to go into this video. So if you understand, you're technically going to be kind of watching me from the sky. So yeah, that's going to be totally awesome. So I guess why not do that before it's going to get pitch dark, because, well, it's going to be dark soon. So yeah, right now I'm gonna get my drone and I'll see you when I'm about to start up the drone. Okay guys, so this right here is actually my drone. This is a really nice drone. It has a camera which is about to fall off. That's why I taped there. So that's the drone. This is actually a Vizu. So I'll have this drone link in the description. This is the charger for it, which we're not gonna need, so I have no clue why it's in this box. And so if you've never seen these before, these things, these are like safeguards, you know. They guard your propellers while you're flying. So those are gonna come in handy. That goes over there. And this is my controller. The thing that I like about this controller is that it's almost like an Xbox controller, except it's not. So yeah, right now I am gonna well, say bye to you guys, and you will see me after you're done. Well, I don't know how you say it exactly, but so you would see me again. Well, you would still see me when you're in the sky, but right now I'm gonna switch the camera over to the drone right here, and yeah, so let's have fun. So hope you guys enjoyed that. It's not really long, sorry for the noise. But that's really all I could actually do, because my drone, it ran out of battery fast. So yeah, I'm actually going to be, just so we can make these drone flights longer, I am going to be buying a really good battery charger and lots of batteries so we can make it count longer. So right now,
put it on.
Donna. Okay, my sister says to put this on. Put it on. And so,
Okay.
yeah, I am gonna sled down my hill now.
Let go.
So, yeah, my head just fell.
That's actually not yours. That's mine. Stop.
Yep.
Stop, don't. Okay, we're going. We're going.
Yeah! That was fun.
We should have a deserves place to ride to.
Ow. Yep, so that was pretty fun. So that is it for today's video, guys. Be quiet. Yeah, so that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you guys have an awesome day, awesome life in general. I've been saying that for the past few videos now. So I hope you guys like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the section below. And remember to turn on that bell, because if you don't, well, you're never gonna see anything I upload unless you actually look at my channel thing. But clicking that bell is a good idea because you can actually, well, you know. Okay, you know. So you can every single time I upload, you'll know right away because of that bell. So hope you guys have an awesome day. And yeah, so once again, please like, subscribe, leave a comment down in the section below, and turn on your notifications. So you never miss an upload that I post, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.
No, I can't be responsible. It ain't my fault.